Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this video, we'll be talking about reusing our steps and how we can achieve that. So we already have two step files here, and why would we need to reuse steps? We can reuse steps where we have a situation where in all our scenarios we see steps that are very common to all the scenarios. What do I mean by that? Take for instance, the click action was called twice here, and it was also called twice here. So imagine we have 4 further tests to run. That means we would have 8 additional tests to the existing 4, so that would mean 12. So we can actually just write one step definition in a step definition file that would be able to handle this. So in order to get that done, the first thing we need to do is add a quote to this. Add a quote to this as well. Then repeat the same step here. Then repeat the same step here. So after that, we come into our step definition, and the first thing we want to do in this place is create a situation where we'll be able to reuse our steps by importing the step matcher. Now, you can read further on the step matcher, but what the step matcher essentially allows you to do is it gives you an opportunity to be able to manipulate your step implementations. So we can now, with the pass already given into it, means that we can actually pass values, right? So what we should do is go to the click option, the first one that we can see, then change what is there. First, change it to, let's just say text, right? And in the context we include text. So we can introduce an if statement, because we need to check what the text is. So we can say if the text is equal to, I think the first thing is login button, then it should it should carry out this action. Else, if the text is equal to cat icon, I think I'll check them again, then it should click the cat icon. Let's see that, yes, login button cat icon. So if that is the case, it should change. So let's look for the cat icon step. I click the cat icon. So this is what we need. We copy this, then we don't need this step anymore, so we can comment it out for now, then paste it here. So this would do the job that we expect it would. We have just created one step and included every other thing inside it. Then with that done, if we try to run this test, it should still run as expected. So what we should have here is, okay, yeah, that has run successfully. So let's check that of performance glitch user and see, and it has also run successfully. As you can see, everything passed. So that has introduced us to how we can reuse our steps. So you don't essentially just need to put everything in quotes. When you see that you have enough steps that looks the same, they do the same thing, but they click different actions. Like it's the same action, like you're clicking, but you're clicking different things. You could just bring them into something, or maybe you're inserting details, like let's say it's a data entry thing and you're inserting a lot of details into different, but like different fields, different values, but it's still the same action. You have to take a field and you have to put a value inside it. You can create something like this for it too and just run through it. I hope this helps, and I think I've made it simple enough for you to understand. You can watch the video repeatedly enough for you to have a better understanding of it. So thank you for getting this far. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and also if you have comments or you have questions, you can put it in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.